Over here we have a very big problem, but it's very simple. Problem is very simple, but the size of the problem is too big and it's going to take a very long time. And the traditional way is you have to go from left to right, obviously. But one thing is proven: when it's just positives and negatives, there is no other sign. You have to do the subtraction and the addition. It doesn't matter which one we do first, because we are having a subtraction, then an addition, then a subtraction and addition. So let's try the regular way, then we will do it in a flash. So to solve the first two numbers, and you have to show the steps to get the full marks. So a negative number and a positive number is always a subtraction. Subtract the small 5 from the 11, the answer is going to be 6, and choose the sign from the larger number. That's the shortest way of handling two positive and negative number. As if when it was 5 minus 3, we have done in grade 2, 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, but actually it was two different signs. Subtract the 3 from the 5, pick the sign from the bigger number, and it works everywhere. Positive and negative numbers. So then you have to copy the negative 9 to show the step, the positive 17, the negative 3, the positive 4, the negative 5, the positive 10, and the negative 6. Some teachers, they cut marks if you don't show the steps. Then this thing has to be taken care of. Two negative numbers. When we have two negative numbers, same sign. The thing is same sign. So exactly a positive 6 and a positive 9, it gives you 15, but it was two same sign. The sign stays same. So when we have two same sign, it's always addition. That was pretty easy. This is also easy. Negative 6 is going to the same direction. It's an addition, but we will choose the same sign, or the sign from the bigger number, doesn't matter. And we have to show the steps. This is the result for step by step and showing your work to the teacher. Then it's a negative 15 and a positive 17. It's a subtraction. Smaller subtracted from the big. Keep the sign from the bigger number, which is positive. Then you have to copy it again. I know it's boring. Those who knows it, maybe it's boring for you, but not everybody does know the shortcut way. Then again, these two number, it's a negative 1, positive 2, and negative 3. It's a subtraction. Keep the sign from the bigger number with the positive 4 and the negative 5, and then 4 minus 1, negative 1, positive 4, subtraction, subtract 1 from 4, answer is 3 positive with the negative 5. And these two different sign. It's a subtraction. Subtract the 3 from 5, pick the sign from the bigger number, then it's a 10, then this. Finally, negative 2, positive 10 is positive 8 with the negative 6, and the answer is 2. And there are lots of chance. We all are human. There are copy mistakes or careless mistakes. What is the flash or first strategy? Pick up all the numbers which are negative and which are positive. So what we are trying to do is, let's pick up all the negative numbers. So the first negative 11, then the negative 9, then the negative 3, then the negative 5, then the negative. So all we do is pick up all the negative numbers. We could have picked up the positive one. The reason the negative came in the front, we are just picking up all the negative numbers. So we have taken care of 11, the negative 9, the negative 3, the negative 5, and the negative 6. Done. Then what we do is pick up all the positive numbers. So it's the positive 5, the positive 17, the positive 4, and the positive 10. Check number 5, 17, 4, and 10. Do all the negative numbers in one go. Same sign, the negative, the negative, the negative, the negative, and the negative. All we do is pick the sign, or is the same sign. No need to pick the sign from the bigger number. All we do is The reason is the same sign. Add all these numbers. 11 and the 9 is 20, 20 and the 3 is 23, 23 and the 5 is 28, 28 and the 6 is 34, but the 34 has to be negative. Then let's go for the positive numbers. Final answer is going to be positive, and this is a positive of 5 and the 17 is 22, 22 and the 4 is 26, 26 and the 10 is 36. At the end we have two different signs. It's a subtraction. All we do is follow the same law. Subtract the 34 from 36, pick the sign from the bigger number, which is just a 2. It has taken some time because of the explanation. It's very fast and easy and least chance of doing mistakes. We have to copy and show all the steps. We have shown the steps, done the maths very fast.